Alrighty, today, guys, I've got something special for you. I'm going to run through a scenario on how to be your own nutritionist with ChatGPT o1. This is pretty powerful stuff. I was testing this morning. So we're going to run through a scenario. So here, we're not just going to ask us to write us a recipe. We're going to ask it something really, really complex in a specific use case, and then we're going to see it go to work. So this is going to be quite a long prompt, but follow along. So you are a nutritionist and a 41-year-old man that is 125 kilograms would like to lose as much weight as he could by precisely 6 months' time. He would like you to prepare a rolling 7-day meal plan, assuming this is week 1. He would like the diet to be low carb and consist of whole foods that are easy to prepare and cook. He does not want complex food that is complex to prepare. To assist in this plan, he has committed to walking 8 kilometers briskly each day. In the output, please highlight the calories of each ingredient and the overall calories in each meal and the calories for each day. Now, what else was I going to say? The man shops at Woolworths. https://www.woolworths.com.au, and he would like the meal plan to be as affordable and economic as possible. So please select items that are the most affordable. Please let me know if you can't achieve any of this. All right, so as you can see, a very, very specific use case. As much weight as he wants to lose, 7-day meal plan, assuming this is week 1. He'd like the diet to be low carb, whole foods easy to prepare. He's going to walk this particular far each day at a brisk pace. You want all the details of the calories, and you want to buy them from Woolworths as affordable and economic as possible. Let's go. Let's watch this. Now, first thing I've got to do is I've got to move it over to the O1 preview. There we go. So this is the new model that thinks in layers. So this is going to break this problem down, and you can probably see it in real time. Check this out. thinking, building the meal plan, gathering the information, formulating the recommendations, crafting the plan, crafting the meal plan. Evaluating the calorie needs, enhancing the plan. So it's pulling together everything we need. It's got all the calories. The one thing I forgot to ask it to write me the shopping list. So the total calories, 2 litres of water daily. Walking 8 kilometres will burn 5 to 600 calories. Buy in bulk. So let's say now, please write me the accompanying shopping list. Okay, so it's taken that meal plan. I didn't ask it for this in fairness. I wanted it to, but so it's calculating the meat portions, it's mapping out the ingredients, it's calculating the vegetable needs, it's compiling the ingredients, excessive olive oil, breaking down the condiments, breaking down the list, gathering the ingredients. It's actually broken into groups for me. Precisely what I need to buy to have that 7-day meal. Now, let's say on the individuals, based on the individual weighing 120, based on the individual's parameters, assuming he is 185 centimeters tall, how much weight would you estimate he could lose in this scenario in 6 months? Estimating my basal metabolic rate, taking activity level into account, calculating caloric expenditure, piecing together the activity factors, analysing the calorie burn, adjusting the weight loss calculations, evaluating the weight loss, crunching the BMR numbers, calculating daily expenditure, here we go. It's telling me how much I'm going to burn doing that, the calorie deficit, estimating the weight loss over 6 months, total weight loss if I did this 59 kilos. The first few weeks may show significant weight loss due to water high loss, glycogen depletion. Over time, the body's metabolism may slow down in response. Muscle mass preservation. Extreme calorie diets can lead to muscle loss. Incorporating resistance training and adequate protein intake can help preserve. Losing 2.2 is generally recommended. Safe is above 2.27 kilos per week. Compose hello, yeah. So the total safe loss is 26 kilos. Is not considered safe or sustainable. A more realistic goal would be lose 13 to 26 kilos over 6 months. Consult a healthcare. So I did ask it. I could do it as fast as possible, but I could adjust that now if I wanted. I could say, please set the diet to lose 26 kilos over 6 months. Now, obviously, this is not medical advice, but it's a great source of information. See your doctor, etc., etc. But I'll let you know how I go. Cheers.